Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to do the checkerboard pattern and solve it on a 3x3 and a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Let's go! First, we're going to show you the 3x3 checkerboard pattern. It goes like this. So, because we're making the 3x3 checkerboard pattern, there are two ways to do this. And I know both of them. First way is you put these on. You need to know your opposite colors. Green is opposite to blue, red is opposite to orange, yellow is opposite to white. You can start with any side. I'm just starting with the yellow. You need to make the white lines go here or the yellow lines go here. At first you do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the white lines go here, like this, and do it on both sides. So then you can do the same over here. So you will find two yellows, which are just over here. You need to bring these two pieces over here. You need to put these pieces, these two, then put the piece with the center in it. I do 2 turns and 1 turn, not 1 turn, to move the center piece. You'll do this and this. So you can make these. A plus sign and these things. And then turn your cube around. You can get this side and do the same here. Now I'll show you how to solve it. Then I'll show you the speed on how I can do it. I'm not going to show you the other way this time. First, you need to make this pattern over here to solve it. The thing is, every corner in the edge is not supposed to be there, but the only way you solve it is something like this. First, I'll show you slowly how to solve it. Then I'll do the whole process fast. First, you need to make this piece. So these two pieces should be the same as this piece. These two stripes have to have 2 greens and 1 blue. These already have that, so I'm just describing them. So you need to make these two the same as that one. They should look the same. And you can turn any way. I'm turning to the bottom like this. Like this. You can see? Now you make this mirror image of the other one. You can turn your cube around this way and now do that. I decided to turn top again, so you need to make the same middle piece. And then just match the lines. So you can all get the same color. So now this is solved. Now I'm going to do a speed solve by making the checkerboard pattern and solving it. 3, 2, 1, go! You can time if you want to. So here's the checkerboard pattern. Now I'm going to solve it. And done. At the end of the video, I'll show you the algorithm that you're going to use. Now it's time for the 4x4 cube. So now let's do the 4x4 checkerboard pattern, and then I'll also teach you how to solve it. First, you need to know the color scheme, which is orange, yellow, red, white, green, and blue for this scramble. So you need to know the color scheme. Opposite colors, orange is opposite to red. You need to know the opposite color of the color you start with. I've chose orange, so I'm doing red layers here. Then you need to do another slice turn like this, a double slice turn. Then you turn these 2 layers as well, so the opposite colors match. Now you can pick any other side you want to, or just go with the same step. I'm staying on the same side here. Turn the right layer twice, the top layer twice, the right layers twice, and the front 2 layers twice. You see, I'm doing 2 layers. That's the 4x4. There's also another way to do it, which I'll show you in another video. That way works for even layer cubes, not odd layer cubes, because the odd layer cubes have a plus sign. Now let's start solving it. You did a front layer, so you do another front layer turn. 1, 2. Any way you like. Here you did right layers, so you do 1, 2 for the right layers. You do top layers 1, 2. These layers here 1, 2. Now just solve this button like you usually do. Turn this side twice. Turn this side twice. Flip the cube over. Turn this side twice. Turn this side twice. And then make the centers match. So this is how you do the checkerboard pattern and solve it on a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. And this is how you do the 4x4 checkerboard and solve it. Now, I'm going to teach you an algorithm which works on every single cube. I'm going to do it on a 4x4 this time. First, you turn the right layer up. Turn this top layer right here right. This one down and this one left. Do it 6 times. That was 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's done. So that was also the algorithm which will tell you how to solve the Rubik's Cube from solved. Bye! See you next time on more Rubik's Cube videos. Please subscribe to my channel for maths, Rubik's Cubes, number blocks and more. Bye!